Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of CGPS Mining Inspector, which was conducted in 2014. And I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NetGate, GSI and other competitive exams. Welcome to set 2. Coming to the first question. The shallow shelf environment is formulated by, the choices are A. Mollusca and Brachiopod lingula, B. Trace fossils such as Nerites, and C. Pelagic organisms, D. Bryozoans and brachiopods. The shallow shelf environment, it is formulated by Mollusca and Brachiopod lingula. Next question. Foramina are the holes, A. in the wall of the animal's chest, B. in the septa that allows communication between the chambers, and C. in the marginal cord that forms a spiral lamina in nummulites, and D. that forms the aperture in the test. So, foramina are the holes in the septa that allows the communication between the chambers. B is the correct option. Next question. Nummulites is a term to indicate shallow neritic deposits rich in large foraminifera, especially nummulites. Which of the following period was dominated by them? So, A. Pliocene, B. Eocene, C. Permian and D. Triassic. So, the correct option is B. Eocene. Nummulites were dominant during the Eocene epoch, which lasted from 58.8 million years to 33.9 million years ago. And nummulites are the shells of a type of foraminiferan, a marine protozoan, and these are commonly found in marine rocks of the Eocene to Miocene periods. So, B. Eocene is the correct option. Next question. Ocean waters up to 100 meters are dominated by A. Cibicides like forms, B. Agglutinated forms, C. Spinous planktonic forms, D. Porcelainous. Ocean waters up to 100 meters are dominated by spinous planktonic forms. C is the correct option. Next question. Of the following, who is associated with the law of superposition? The choices given are A. Nicholas Steno, B. Fred Hoyle, C. Lehmann, D. James Hutton. So, the correct option is A. Nicholas Steno. The law of superposition, it is a principle in geology that was proposed by Danish geologist Nicholas Steno in 1669. And the law of superposition states that in a sequence of layered rocks, the oldest is at the bottom and the youngest is at the top. So, Nicholas Steno is associated with the law of superposition. A is the correct option. Next question. Fragment of granite in the body of a sandstone are A. older than the sandstone, B. younger than the sandstone, C. of the same age as the sandstone, and D. generally older at times younger. So, the correct option is A. older than the sandstone. Using the principle of included fragments in geology, if a sandstone is in contact with a granite and contains fragments of the granite, it indicates that the granite is older than the sandstone. So, that is why A. older than the sandstone is the correct option. Next question. The age of marine beds associated with the lower Gondwana rocks is A. early Triassic, B. late Jurassic, C. early Cretaceous, and D. earliest Permian. The age of marine beds which are associated with the lower Gondwana rocks are the earliest Permian. Marine beds associated with the lower Gondwana rocks are of an earlier Permian age. So, D is the correct option. Next question. Marine transgression of the coast of Kutch began in A. Cretaceous, B. Jurassic, C. Paleocene, and D. Oligocene. Marine transgression of the coast of the Kutch, it began in Jurassic. Next question. The age of Gondwana rocks in Kutch is A. Paleocene, B. Oligocene, C. early Cretaceous, and D. Jurassic. The age of Gondwana rocks in Kutch is early Cretaceous. The Gondwana rocks in Kutch are early Cretaceous, and the Gondwana supergroup, it is a sequence of sediments that began to be deposited in the upper Carboniferous and continued up to the lower Cretaceous. And the rocks in the Kutch basin are Mesozoic or early Cretaceous clastic, such as the Booz Formation. Next question. Which of the following formation is distinguished by the presence of dinosaur eggshells of a Maastrichtian age? The options given are A. Arreolure Formation, B. Bag Formation, C. Booz Formation, and D. Lametta Formation. So, the correct option is D. Lametta Formation. The dinosaur egg-rich lamata formation is widely distributed over 10,000 kilometers and varies in thickness from 3 to 12 meters and is well exposed in 5 inland basins like Jabalpur, Dhar and Jabua districts, Salbardi, Belkar, Betul district, Madhya Pradesh, and Kheda, Panchmahal district, Gujarat, and Pitsudara, that is Nand Dongargan, which is in Chandrapur district in Maharashtra. So, the lamata formation is distinguished by the presence of dinosaur eggshells of Maastrichtian age. Next question. The age of marine transgression of Kaveri Basin, Tamil Nadu is A. Cenomanian, B. Maastrichtian, C. Dannian, and D. Sarmatian. The age of marine transgression of Kaveri Basin, Tamil Nadu is Cenomanian. The marine transgression of the Kaveri Basin in Tamil Nadu, India, it occurred during the Cenomanian period. So, A is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following geomorphic features suggests regional uplift during the Quaternary? A. Lateral moraines, B. Paired terraces, C. Recessional terraces, and D. Unpaired terraces. So, the correct option goes as paired terraces. Regional uplift during the Quaternary period, it can cause the formation of paired terraces. When rivers flood, the sediment builds up on the floodplain, and over the time, the river cuts into the sediment and carries it to the downstream, leaving behind the abandoned floodplain as a river terrace. So, paired terraces, it suggests the regional uplift during the Quaternary. Next question. Which of the following dating technique it helps in establishing the chronology of glaciation? A. Potassium argon, B. Rubidium strontium, C. Uranium lead, and D. Optically simulated luminescence. So, the correct option goes as a D. Optically simulated luminescence. Optically simulated luminescence, or OSL, it is a technique used to date fossils in geological sediments through ionized radiation to determine the last time a mineral was exposed to sunlight. Next question. Which of the following is not a proxy for inferring the Holocene paleoclimate? A. Lichonometry, B. Palynology, C. Dendrochronology, and D. Geochemistry of lake sediments. So, the correct option goes as A, because palynology, dendrochronology, geochemistry of lake sediments, these are useful for inferring the Holocene paleoclimate, whereas a lichonometry, it is a technique used to find the relative or absolute date of rock surface exposure. So, A is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following geomorphic features is not an indicator of active tectonics? A. Incised valleys, B. River terraces, C. Stream piracy, and D. U-shaped valley. So, the correct option is U-shaped valley, because like incised valleys, river terraces, stream piracy, all these are the indicator of tectonic movement. So, that is why which is not associated with the tectonic activity is the U-shaped valley. So, these are associated with the glaciers. Next question. Deccan basalt represent A. Plateau, B. A mountain chain, C. A hillock, D. A basin. It is a very simple question. Deccan basalt, it represents a plateau. Deccan plateau, it is made up of basalt and is located in west central India. Next question. Fossils are abundantly found in A. Igneous rocks, B. Sedimentary rocks, C. Metamorphic rocks, and D. Evaporites. So, it is also a very straightforward question. Fossils are abundantly found in the sedimentary rocks. B is the correct option. Next question. The Earth would be the same as other planets in the solar system without A. Volcanoes and plate tectonics, B. Water and rocks, C. River and plants, and D. Plants and animals. The Earth would be the same as the other planets in the solar system without volcanoes and plate tectonics. A is the correct option. Next question. Fluvial environment is A. Continental environment, B. Marine environment, C. Transitional environment, and D. Abyssal environment. Fluvial environment is a continental environment. A fluvial environment, it is a type of continental depositional environment, and this fluvial environment, it is a sedimentary environment where rivers, streams, and gravity flow processes create, modify, destroy, and preserve fluvial landforms and deposits. So, fluvial environment is a continental environment. Next question. Which of the following is not sedimentary in origin? A. Gypsum, B. Halite, C. Magnetite, and D. Hematite. So, the correct option is magnetite, whereas gypsum, halite, and hematite, these are not these are all sedimentary origin, whereas magnetite is not in sedimentary origin. Hope you have followed the content and the questions. Hope you can explore geosciences and subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.